Hey everyone, welcome back to Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable pop-ups in Firefox. Blocking pop-ups can reduce distractions, but you can allow them for trusted websites. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Firefox browser on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2, click the three lines in the top right corner, then click Settings. Step 3, on the left side, click Privacy and Security. Step 4, scroll down to the Permissions section. Step 5, check or uncheck the box that says Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects to enable or disable pop-ups. For the sake of this video, we're going to keep it checked. That's how you enable or disable pop-ups in Firefox. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.